Okay, community and families, this is going to be a quick and dirty, and forgive me, I'm reading off notes because I'm not an actor and I can't memorize lines, so leave me alone. Going to talking about how to parent through war, violence, and chaos because it seems like, well, that's the trajectory of our world right now. Let's talk about it. Over this last weekend, our country started a war with Iran, and there was another church shooting. Um, Good guys stop the bad guys, so that's a win story. But these things are on the rise, and more are coming. Okay. And here's the thing, I've done demographic studies, not just on you, mom and dad. I've done demographic studies on your children. And do you know what they do? You know what their friends talk about? They actually talk about the news every once in a while, and the news cycle freaks them out, and they have anxiety and fear over these things. This new generation has more anxiety and fear than any generation I've ever heard of. But hey, you know whose fault it is? It's our fault. We're raising them. They're our children. Let's raise strong men and women. Let us not raise fearful children, because children have crept past the 18-year-old mark and have moved on into their 20s, 30s, sometimes 40s. We so need to fix this. So, what's causing fear? Well, I've already talked about it. The news cycle has created fear. It's not just the news, it's what people are talking about. It's fear at the dinner table, which means, what do I mean by that? They're listening to you in your conversations, they're listening to your phone calls, they're listening to what you're watching. Kids pay attention, even though they pretend they don't, they really do. So, do I want to hide these things from them? Absolutely not. May it never be. But moms and dads, kids need, who do they need? Oh, you. They need their parents. They need their mother and their father to lead the way. It is not time for panic. It's time to parent. It's going to be a new hashtag. Don't panic, parent. Hashtag. I need you to be the anchor for your kids. Talk about what's going on. Don't avoid it. Avoidance is a form of hypocrisy, and I'll tell you what, if the kid wants to know about it, they're going to find out from somebody. Might as well be you. Which leads us to the next part. I want you to ground your family in faith. I want you to read the Bible with them. I want you to pray with them. I want them to see fathers praying over their wives. Fathers, pray over your children. Pray over your sons and your daughters. This is a beautiful, habitual, spiritual thing. It will change your family. Lay your hand on their little head and pray for them. Pray for God to bless them. Pray for God to protect them. Pray for God to give you and them discernment as they go throughout their day. All of these things are very important, and your kids will be changed by this. Don't be a hypocrite when you pray. Mean what you say. Do what you promise. If you can't promise big things, if you can't do big things, then don't promise big things. Keep your word, though, and build upon that. Again, build routines that create peace. Prayer, read scripture, read stories, read them Tolkien and C.S. Lewis, read Louis L'Amour books. My God, read something. Read them the classics for sure, because kids need a better education than what the world has given to them. And classical education, it is the way to go. I will talk to you more and proselytize more for classical education later. This is not the video for it, but I just did it a little bit. I don't care. Talk. Talk to your children. Talk to your spouse. Let your kids see you and your spouse having healthy conversations, and put boundaries on the things that you're allowing into your home, into your eyes, and into your hearts. Okay? Limit the news cycle. Limit on-screen time. Okay? Limit the things that cause angst, anxiety, and fear. Fill your world with things that are good. I don't want you to be fearful, and I don't want you to avoid the real world. Never meaning that. What I want you to do is create a situation where you can show your children what real discernment is. Honest to God, what are you going to do about bombs dropping in the Middle East, mom and dad? Wow. Oh, nothing. You're doing nothing. You have no power. You know what you do have the power about? How your kids wake up in the morning, how you encourage them and love them and correct them and discipline them, how they have dinner together with you at night, how you can pray over them. Do you see a pattern here? How they see you living life. Work out with them. Make better habits for each other. Cook with them. My God, food is important. Eat well. The crap people are eating is just amazing. Do better, mom and dad. There are options. I'm going off on tangents already. I wanted to make this video. The world's a nutty place. You need better help and tools for it. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. But you know who I'm not here for? Your kids, because I don't live in your house. You do. So go do good work. You're important. You're needed. You can be the heroes of your children. If you like this, like it, subscribe. Please let me know your thoughts. It's very important to me. I actually need to hear from you. I need to hear the issues you're dealing with, some of the fears, the struggles, because I'm sure these things I'm missing. I have a very finite view. There's only a few things that I can pick up. I'm a simple knuckle dragger, so I do need your help in this, okay? I have got your back. God bless you. Like, subscribe, share, talk to other parents. That's a great idea. Build your community. All right. Love you guys. Talk soon.